Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my videos till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you short hair ideas for women. This video is especially for the ladies who want a prettier and perfect haircut according to their face. Then you are on the right place. So please watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And the people who don't subscribe to my channel yet and watch my videos, so guys, please subscribe to my channel for informative videos and show some love. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. And the people who don't subscribe to my channel yet, guys, please subscribe to my channel and show some love on my videos and share them with your family members and friends. I will continue making more informative videos for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. That's all in this video guys. See you in the next video.